Hi everyone! We're driving up the Haleakala National Park volcano to see the crater, and wanted to give you a couple tips if you plan on coming up here. So as you're driving to the top from the starting point entering the national park, it can take about 30 minutes to get all the way to the top, to the crater, to the summit. However, keep in mind, depending on where you're staying on the island, it will take you anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 hours to get to the top. So make sure to plan ahead accordingly. Oh, and do remember to fill up your gas tank because there's no gas station on the way up to the crater. As you're driving up here, there are a lot of turns, so do take your time and enjoy the ride. We're driving up to the summit, 10,023 feet, going up Haleakala Volcano Mountain to see the crater. As you're starting to get higher and closer to the crater, you might start feeling a little dizzy, a little sick due to elevation, so I just want you to be aware. All right, we're definitely starting to get higher. We're getting closer to the clouds. We still have a little ways to go. All right, we made it to the top. So first you'll come to the first parking lot, which is the visitor center, where you can see the crater. And then there will be another parking lot where you'll drive up just another couple hundred feet, which will put you at that 10,000 foot elevation, which where the observatory is. But absolutely beautiful, breathtaking views. These are views that they're so overwhelming, you're gonna remember them for the rest of your lifetime. There is a ranger up here to answer any questions that you might have, and the visitor center does have restrooms. Being up here and looking at that crater, it feels like you're literally on another planet. It feels like you're on Mars. Amazing experience. Next, we drove up a couple hundred feet up to the observatory, which puts us at 10,000 feet. It does get chilly up here, so do bring your jacket and dress warm. I do want you to know before coming up here is that you're so high in elevation that you might feel like you're a little bit out of breath or feel like you're winded. So if you do have any respiratory issues, I highly recommend consulting with your physician before coming up here. As for myself, I did have to use my inhaler because I have asthma, so I felt a little bit out of breath or winded, but hope you're able to make it up here and enjoy this beautiful scenery, this unbelievable and unforgettable view.